Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Can-Am RYKER 900 Ace. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This vehicle has 5,676 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14 volts, the front left tire at 630 seconds, the front right at 630 seconds, and the rear at 930 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There are scratches on the plastics of the rack, scratches on the left wheel trim, and scratches on the side plastics. This vehicle has 2 fobs and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and reverse. This is a stock vehicle with a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. This vehicle comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.